Okay, next we're gonna talk primer. All right, Mary Kay foundation primer. This stuff works great. It has a really soft feel and it just kind of smooths out any fine lines or wrinkles that you have so that your makeup goes on really smoothly. So I apply that. It looks like this. Kind of like, looks like Vaseline, I guess. But it doesn't feel like Vaseline when you go on. Okay, so I rub that all in, just a little bit. Don't need a ton. A little bit goes a long way. And if you put too much, it'll start pilling as you apply your foundation. Then you know, I've got too much. So I go around and then I tap it in here too, just to fill in anything that might be not perfect. Okay. For foundation, I prefer the CC cream for daily use, and then I also love the Mary Kay Luminous foundation. So today I'm gonna mix the two actually, because I don't want full coverage, but I want a little more than the CC cream offers because I'm gonna be on Zoom all day. We have service and then we have a client meeting. So I'm gonna put both of those there and use my Wet Beauty blender to apply. Be sure and go down onto your neck and make sure it's all blended. Next is concealer. I don't generally struggle with discoloration under my eye, but right now I have it because it's been a very long week, a very busy week, and I haven't gotten a lot of sleep. For concealer, we're not gonna apply it to the entire under eye area. We're really gonna spot treat that darkness. We're gonna go like that. A little on the nose, chin, and here. Go ahead and pat that in with the same Wet Beauty blender. And I go ahead and put it on my eyelid too, the residual on my eyelid, and that acts as a bit of a primer for your eyelid. Okay. So on a day when I'm not looking my best, meaning I have some dark circles and haven't slept well, I'm going to show you the final result from just doing this little bit of self-care before putting on your makeup, and then using a good hydrating foundation and applying your concealer correctly. I'll be right back. Here is the final look, and I'm going to put a little lip gloss on. Ready to go. Have a great day.